You shift your weight, your foot is gone. Not painful, just absent, like it belongs to someone else. You try to stand, the floor feels like static. Then come the pins, then the needles. We've all felt it. Almost nobody knows what it actually is. The medical name sounds almost poetic, paresthesia. Your foot did not actually fall asleep. It went temporarily offline. 2 systems were interrupted at once. The first is blood, the second is signal. Inside your leg run cables of nerve fiber, bundled like wires. They carry information from skin to spinal cord at 200 miles per hour. Crush those cables, and the messages get scrambled. The condition has a clinical name. It is called obdormition. Early researchers began mapping how nerves shut down. They noticed something strange about how nerves shut down. The nerves did not fail randomly. They failed in a precise order. First, the heaviest fibers stopped firing. First, the heaviest, fattest fibers stopped firing. Those carry motor control and the feeling of light touch. That is why your foot feels weightless and far away. Then the thinner fibers begin to falter, one type at a time. Last to quit are the tiny fibers that carry pain. This is why a sleeping foot still hurts if you pinch it. Joseph Erlanger, Washington University in St. Louis, 1944. With Herbert Gasser, Erlanger classified nerve fibers by speed and size. They won the Nobel Prize for it that same year. Their work explained why sensation dies in layers. But pressure is only half of the story. The other half is blood, and it matters more than most people realize. Nerves are hungry. They consume oxygen constantly to stay alive. Cross your legs, and you compress the arteries underneath. Within minutes, the nerves below begin to starve. Starved nerves stop firing. The limb goes quiet. Now uncross your legs. The blood rushes back. The nerves wake up, but not gracefully. They fire chaotically, all at once, in random bursts. Your brain receives a flood of nonsense signals. It tries to interpret them and produces the only thing it can. Pins, needles, electricity, tiny insects crawling under your skin. Falling asleep is the mildest form. In 1951, neurologist Sidney Sunderland described 5 degrees of nerve injury. Falling asleep is the mildest, neuropraxia. The wiring is intact, only the signal is paused. Recovery takes seconds to minutes, no damage left behind. Researchers have measured the wake-up itself. The pins and needles phase lasts roughly 2 to 4 minutes. During this window, sensory neurons may fire far above their normal rate. Your foot is not broken, it is rebooting. Here is what almost nobody tells you. Some researchers believe the numbness is not just nerves shutting off. The brain may filter out confused signals before they reach awareness. Your foot was screaming the whole time. Your brain refused to listen. A foot falling asleep is harmless. A foot that stays asleep is not. Persistent numbness may indicate diabetes, pinched nerves, or circulation problems. If it lasts hours or comes without pressure, see a doctor. For the everyday version, the fix is simple. Move. Stand up, shake the leg, let the blood return. Your nervous system is faster than your fastest thought. It runs underneath you, all day, without asking permission. The pins and needles are not malfunction. They are a system rebooting in real time. Next time your foot goes numb, listen closely. That tingling is the sound of your body waking up.